Hello, I am Pallavi. Welcome back to my channel Pallavi Studies. Today I am going to explain about standard deviation. This standard deviation is one of the part in dispersion. Already in my previous class I have explained each and everything about in the dispersion. Already in dispersion we have range, quarterly deviation and mean deviation, quarterly deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation. Already in my previous classes, range, quarterly deviation, mean deviation, I have explained. Watch my previous videos. Today, in the last one, is standard deviation. This standard deviation also very important. You are going to get this answer in long. The standard deviation formula, the symbol will be like this. The standard deviation of formula will be summation fd square divided by n minus summation fd divided by n into whole square into I. After root we have to write I. Root should not be continuous till here. It should be end here. After that it will be I. Here in continuous series they'll give like that. The compute the standard deviation for the given data. So now we are going to, in the solution we are going to calculation of a standard deviation. Each and everything you have to mention like this in the problem. You have to neatly, you have to use a scale and pencil. You have to write down, this heading must be write down. For these, all these you may get 2 marks for this. And what you have to do, you have entered the class intervals and also the frequency. Now you have to find out the mid value. What is the mid value formula? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. That means 0 plus 10 divided by 2. That is 5. 10 plus 10, 10, 20 in between. You have 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and the 65 like this. Here in this, what you can do, you can have that directly you can assume anything. Assumed mean you can take anything, you can assume it as a 0. Here also you can get 0, but here you'll get a more minus. So that's why what we are doing here, we are taking this one in the middle one, we are taking as 0. And what is this one? X minus 35 and also divided by 10. That means 35 minus 5 will be 30, divided by 10 will be 3. That is nothing but minus 3. And here minus 2, minus 1, plus 1, 2 and 3. Here this is nothing but d. Now what we have to do, we have to do d square, means nothing but minus 3 multiplied with minus 3. Then we are going to get plus 9, not minus 9 students. Minus 2 into minus 2 we are going to get plus 4. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. 0 as it is. And also 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9. Here all in this d square we are going to get all in plus value only. Okay, now no need of doing total of the summation d square. We have to do f into d. That is nothing but frequency into d. That is 1 into minus 3 will be minus 3. 4 into minus 2 will be minus 8. 7 into minus 1 will be 17, minus 17. 0 multiplied with any number will be 0. 26 into 1, 26. 5 into 4, 20. 2 into 3 will be 9. 5 into 2 will be 10. Sorry. 2 into 3 will be 6. So now what we have to do, FD we have to find it out, no? So total of summation FD we have to find out, that will be 14. Minus values you have to do minus, plus values you do plus. Here d square means this 9 into 1. 9. 4 into 4. 16. 1 into 17. 17. 0 as it is. And 26 into 1, 26. 5 into 4 will be 20. 2 into 9 will be 18. So again we have to do FD square total, that is nothing but summation FD square will be 106. What you have to do, you have to apply these values in formula. What is the standard deviation symbol? This is the standard deviation symbol. Write down the formula summation FD square divided by n minus summation FD divided by n, we have to do whole square into I under root. Summation FD square means 106 divided by n will be the total of this value, that is nothing but 100 minus summation FD 14 divided by 100 whole square we have to do into I under root. So here what you have to do, 106 divided by 100 will be 1.06 into 14 divided by 100 will be 0.14 whole square we have to do and into 10 under root. Again 1.06 as it is 0.14 square means 0.14 into 0.14, that will be 0.0196 into 10 as it is, and the 1.06 minus this is minus 1.06 minus 0.0196 will be 1.0404 under root into 10 as it is, and the standard deviation will be under root, we have to remove the root. Under root 1.0404 will be 1.02 into 10. So therefore the standard deviation, the final answer will be 10.2. This is the standard deviation question. This is very important question you are going to get in the exams. Concentrate on this question. Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel.